Hello student, the ninth question from the puzzle ask in this type of pattern ask in the Infosys examination as well as SSC or railways. This type of pattern ask. So we can see here it is A, B, C, D. Okay, it means that the alphabets going in this way. So here it is A, B, C, D. Definitely it's E is there, F, G, H. So this F is not possible, H is not possible. Here it is 31 and 12. Again, which logic we can see? Yes, every number is divisible by 3. Every number is divisible by 3. So 31 is not divisible by 3. So we will go with this E12. E12 is the answer for this question. E12. First we go anti-clockwise by alphabets A to H, and every number with this alphabet is completely divisible by 3. So we will go with this E12 option. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.